Siddhartha, shall we start?
Sorry to take a little time, but I believe if Sumita ji, good afternoon. I believe it would be good evening over there. So, good evening to you and good evening to Yokoyama-san. I believe Aarti is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good evening to you, Aarti. If probably,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Probably could just take a couple of minutes and see that some other participants also join.
Okay,
So
sir.
I hope that will be fine, Sunita ji, that we just take a couple of minutes, perhaps 3 or 4 minutes, and wait for others to join.
Yes, sir, that's perfectly fine.
Thank you so much. I believe, Dr. Neha, we can start.
Okay, sir. A very warm welcome and good afternoon to Team Mangalaya, um, all my students and faculties. Good afternoon, Siddharth sir. Um, so after all these days where we started working on hackathon, uh, students started preparing their strategies and the finale. So we have seen all of the students have learned a lot from the hackathon pertaining to development of marketing strategies for Mangalaya mobile application. So that was a wonderful experience for us faculties and even the students for all. So thank you so much Team Mangalaya for giving us this opportunity. Uh, Without wasting much time, I would request Siddharth sir to share a few words.
Thank you so much, Dr. Neha. First of all, again for the second time, good evening to Yokoyama-san, Sunita ji, to Aarti. I believe it will be evening over there, and good afternoon to all the students and to all my colleagues.
Siddharth sir, I'm sorry, but your voice is not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good evening to Team Mangalya. It will be evening over there, and good afternoon to my marketing colleagues and my students. I believe that this hackathon was very, very unique, and of course, it was a huge challenge. It seems like it was just a couple of days back that me and Dr. Neha interacted with the moment we discussed the entire concept, they were very, very welcoming and warm about the idea, and they offered wholehearted support in this thing. Because as much as they were going to gain from it, more than them, probably it was us as teachers and students, okay, who were going supposed to be gaining out of it. And I probably can dare say that it was not only you students who gained in this entire hackathon, but I believe that all of us, all the faculty members, we also learned a lot in this entire process. The moment a hackathon happens, the challenge is not only for you as students, the challenge is also with us, because we are dealing with a new product, a new service, a new concept. And when we're trying to commercialize it, so we also start thinking like you. And this I remember that all of us marketing faculties were sitting together, raising our brains and thinking that, okay, how should this be marketed? So as much as it would pose a challenge to all the students, it also posed a challenge to us. There was also a huge amount of challenge in terms of deciding as to who should be the right kind of mentor, faculty, not faculty probably, but industry mentor, who should probably be invited and who would be talking. I remember that we targeted so many people that cut down names, and we wanted someone who was unconventional, someone who would come out of the box ideas. So many mentors actually we chalked off the list. We were like, no, we want people who are different, people who have got different ideas. So I remember spending huge amount of time in that. What I really appreciate is that our Japanese counterparts were not only very supportive, they are very, very understanding, and it gives me a lot of happiness, students, in terms of seeing that they have been probably, a heaven sent jury. So a jury sent from heaven, because they were listening to each and everything. Okay, I feel bad when I say that I was not able to attend all the presentations, but my observation was that the jury gave huge amount of time in terms of listening to each and everything. Otherwise, in conventional hackathons, it so happens that the time given is 5 minutes. You have to put a point across in 5 minutes, and no time is given beyond that. But here, all the three members went through all the presentations very meticulously. They got back, they encouraged, they talked about certain thoughts which were important, they elaborated about it, and they also took out and explaining the entire thing. Okay, so probably at times it happens that all the three jury, they acted as professors in trying to teach you what was happening. And probably that is the beauty of this particular hackathon, that all of us, this entire process, we learn something. And probably I also learned my bit, because dealing with a concept which was very new, I also found myself at several times understanding how the whole thing happened. And trust me, I also learned a lot. And I hope that all my faculty colleagues and the students, of course, would have learned in this. Again, I will not take much time, because the main stay of this event probably is the disclosure of the results, which I believe all the students are very excited and looking forward to. So I would not want to take any time, but yes, my heartfelt thanks to Yokoyama-san, to Sumita-ji, to Aarti for giving this opportunity to us. And I just hope that whatever expectations with which you approached us, I just hope that we have probably fulfilled it. Also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Neha Mehta, who spent huge amount of time in conceptualizing this entire thing, managing this entire thing, mentoring and everything. Thank you so much to you. Okay, a lot of thanks to the entire marketing team, Dr. Indra Netrani, Dr. Gulwa Desai Singh, Professor Apurva Bhagat, sorry, Apurva Mehta, I should say. Okay, Professor Nidhi Sompura, Dr. Halim Mahajan, okay, Professor Jignesh Vidani. Okay, all of them put huge amount of effort. Okay, I hope I'm not forgotten any names. Okay, since I belong to the fraternity of marketing, so one can probably say that probably I might be a little closer to them. Thank you so much for all the effort that you all have put. And again, students, thanks a lot, because when I looked at the final presentations, okay, the presentations were really good. Of course, there's always scope for improvement, and I think that was really a fantastic talk. So thank you so much for the support given over here. So over to you, Dr. Neha. Probably you can add in if I missed somewhere. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Siddharth sir. So the moment has come for which all the students and us all are waiting. So again, without wasting much time, I would like Sumita Sa to take over the session.
Thank you, Neha ma'am, and thank you, Siddharth sir. And so I would like to take over, but then first of all, I would like to request Yokoyama-san to say a sentence or two from our side. 横山さん、ちょっと何か一言でも。
Okay, everyone, thank you so much. Everyone, presentation got us a lot of new points of view. We will be able to success. So thank you so much, and perhaps die award.
ありがとうございます。And next from our side, I would like to invite the very important person who has connected us to the university and who has been helping us all throughout. And this whole event would not have been possible without her. So Aarti, please say something from our side.
Thank you so much, Smita-san. And I would like to thank LJ Institute from my bottom of the heart, because they work day and night. The students, the faculties, the guests, everyone put their extreme best efforts. So I really appreciate the work and the way they supported us in promoting Mangalaya, and we got really interesting insights, creative thoughts from the students, and we feel really energetic after this event. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. My words are really short for saying thanks. So really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Yokoyama-san and Sumita-san, for trusting me and like allowing me to arrange this event and everything. I'm really thankful to you guys a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aarti. I mean, we always think that she's just a part of our team, so we keep asking her to do things for us. So yeah, thank you so much. So then now that it's my turn, I would like to start with, again, thanking the university, first of all, because nothing would have been possible unless you had agreed. So thank you for agreeing to take on some unknown new project that nobody has any idea about. Thank you for calling us a company. We are nothing like a company yet. And thank you for accepting to do this. We had a really good time and we gained a lot to learn from everybody, a lot to learn from all the students. And I hope the students got to learn something too. I hope it's not just a one-way thing for us. And I would like to also thank all the professors who joined, all the teachers, faculty members. I think Mehta sir came quite a few times. He also attended some of the sessions. And then we had a special lecture by the Vice Chancellor. So everything was very special for us. So thank you for taking the pains to organize so many things. And so one thing that I would like to tell you, which is very not surprising, but very interesting for us, was that all of you know that Yokoyama-san does not understand everything in English, right? So he was looking at these presentations and we were listening to the presentations. But when we discussed later, every presentation one by one, it was so interesting that our first impressions were almost the same, which shows the power of ideas. The ideas that you people presented, they came across equally well, even to a person who did not completely understand the language. And sometimes students were talking in Hindi. So Yokoyama-san doesn't know Hindi that much. He is trying to learn. Even then, our impressions were almost the same, which was extremely interesting. And it somehow, I will be a little selfish in saying that it somehow also makes me believe that maybe even if Mangala is in Hindi, we can get other people to understand it, just like Yokoyama-san was able to understand all your presentations. So let's hope it works for us too. So that was something very interesting. What we felt, but something that I would like to tell you is that a lot of presentations had this information which contained phone numbers and private information. So for that, I would really like to, that's one thing that I would like to point out, that if you do, unless and until you have the permission to share that private information, I hope you did have the permission. But if you don't, then maybe we could omit the phone numbers, because that's personal information. That's not something that we should be sharing. And if it's information that's available online freely, like the names of shops, the addresses of shops are very easily available online. If it's information that is already disclosed, then there's no problem. So I hope you'll keep that in mind if there was something like that. I just wanted to make that point here. So that was the only thing. Otherwise, what we looked for most of the time, of course, like we said, innovative ideas, good strategies, nice financial planning, and whether it was feasible or not. Those were the things, the tasks that were given to you. But somehow, somewhere, when a startup as small as ours, it's so tiny, I don't even know if we can call ourselves a baby. I think we're even smaller than a baby right now. So a startup like us has nothing but the idea that we come with. We don't have resources, we don't have funds, we don't have people, we don't have anything but the idea that we've come with. And that's why somehow I think our choice, our selection has been inclined towards those teams that made us feel secure, that made us feel that you believe in our idea, that made us feel that sorry okay, that if we give you this, we can entrust you this work, and we can say, okay, whatever amount you've said, we can give you this amount, please go give it a shot. So those kind of teams really stood out, and I'm very glad to say that there were teams who really made us feel as if our idea was their own idea. And I think that was something that makes us feel very secure, and makes us feel that we can trust you. And as a startup, I thought that was something very important for us. So without taking too much time and making you wait anymore, I would like to announce. Should I go ahead? Okay. So let me tell you about the process. There were 51 teams. That's unbelievable. 51 teams with 4 people each. That's 204 people. Wow. Out of that, the faculty members, I'm sure they had a very difficult time trying to shortlist 23 teams. 23 was also a big number. Then we listened to 23 teams. We were supposed to do it in 2 days, which we failed miserably. We took double the time. We took 4 days. We made you all wait for your turn. I apologize for that. But the sessions were very interesting. We learned a lot. It was excellent to listen to each one of you. It was excellent to be able to interact with you. So thank you so much for your patience, for your time, for your ideas, for everything that you did. So out of 23, we then took all your ideas home. We sat down with your presentations and a cup of coffee. And then we looked at your presentations one by one again. And we had a very tough time all over again. And we narrowed down 5 teams that really stood out. Okay, so even though we are going to announce top 3 winners, but I would really want to mention the teams that came 4th and 5th in our ranking. And I won't tell you which is 4th, which is 5th, because that doesn't matter. So in, let's say, alphabetical order, the teams that have unfortunately not won but really stood out were, one of them is, Marketing Mongers. And the other team is Team Elite. Marketing Mongers, especially, I would like to congratulate you, because I think you belong to the BBA course, which is the integrated course. And
Yes,
you participated with your seniors and you did such a commendable job. So many congratulations to you. And there's one more team that we would specially like to mention. That's the CE team from the engineering department, who took part in a marketing hackathon and gave us really nice ideas, especially from the technical side. So congratulations to you too for all your hard work and the wonderful ideas that you gave us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And then now let's move on to the top 3 teams. Okay, so the second runners up is a team that scored the highest in feasibility. It scored the highest in feasibility. Everything that they told us was extremely feasible. We could actually go and start doing it tomorrow. And this team was, of course, they had great strategies also. And they also had a good financial plan. So I hope that in future, the team members will perform miracles. So you know which team it is. So the third prize goes to anybody?
Miracle Makers.
Yes, Miracle Makers.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, please make some noise, guys.
Yes,
I mean,
ma'am. Thank you so much.
This is too quiet for a prize.
Ma'am, online है ना ma'am, that's why.
I know, but you can unmute your mic and maybe clap for the teams, I guess.
Thank you so
Thanks
much,
so
ma'am,
much,
for
ma'am.
giving
Thank you so
us
much.
such an opportunity.
You're welcome. We're very happy to be here. Okay, let's go. For the first runners-up, the second prize goes to the team that scored highest in strategies. They gave us so many awesome strategies, so much out-of-the-box thinking, so many new things that some of them we hadn't even imagined we can do. And they also scored well in financial planning and also in feasibility. And I think in presentation, all 3 teams were pretty equal. So yeah, I think that's the major points that I have for the second team. And that team is going to break the market at some point of time. So team Market Breakers. Second prize for Market Breakers.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations,
so much, ma'am.
guys.
Well, where is Parth?
Yes.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. We should be thanking you. Okay, and last but definitely not the least, the best, the team that stood out in everything. I would like to tell you that even though they did score most in financial planning, and they scored very high in everything. They scored very high in strategy. They scored very high in financial planning. They scored very high in feasibility. They scored high in budgeting, and they scored very high in presentation also. So overall, their score was greater than any of the other teams, and they actually came out undefeatable. So the team that wins the first prize is any guesses? Invincible, yes. They are invincible.
So much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. We learn a lot through this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You were really invincible.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yip, yip.
So that's it from our side. You will get your prizes and your certificates after the event. And I would like to thank everybody once again for really, really awesome ideas. Thanks a lot. And we were really glad and we are very happy that we did this event. Thanks a lot, Aarti, again. I can't thank you enough for this, and all the faculty members and all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So over to you, Neha, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sumita-san and Yokoyama-san, for giving our students and us as an institute, as a university, this opportunity of developing marketing strategies and learning a lot of things through strategy making for Mangalaya. So thank you so much to both of you. Special thank you to Aarti. So she is one who's constantly supporting LJ University in some or the other way. And Aarti, should I reveal the opportunity that you are going to give to our students? Okay, thank you. So Miss Aarti Rupada is going to hire few of the students she has earmarked for internship with her company, right? So we'll be announcing those names also soon. Um, so thank you so much, Aarti, for constantly supporting LJ University. Uh, I'd like to thank all my faculty colleagues. We as a team have worked very hard constantly with the students and with the companies. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Siddharth sir, for your constant support and motivation, for making us all, including all the faculties and students, we all constantly learn from your kind support and motivation. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much all the students who have been such a good participants, working very, very hard, right? And have learned so many things from this hackathon. So thank you all of you for all the efforts that you have done.
Yeah, I must just add, if I'm not interrupting Dr. Neha, is that, yeah, I want to firstly congratulate all the winners. And I can imagine that work, the kind of brain work that would have gone, okay, into the efforts that have been put by Yokoyama-san, by Sumita-ji, by Aarti. Thank you so much. And it's a huge amount of motivation. Also, I want to thank all my faculties who again put a lot of effort behind it. And yeah, probably in the first half an hour speaking, I probably missed out on thanking and congratulating Professor Rutuja, but she was not around. So since her speak was not there, so I was unable to get her. Congratulations all the winners, and I just hope that probably Yokoyama-san and Sumita-ji and Aarti would be giving us a second chance to probably do something in the future again. And yes, I also want to mention that they have been very, very nice, and they have declared prizes for all participants, and they're very fantastic and beautiful looking Mangalia merchandise in terms of bags have already come to campus, and all of you students, whenever you can come down to campus, you can probably meet Dr. Neha and collect your gifts. Thank you so much. Seldom does it happen that a company comes across and gives gifts to all participants. I'll be very frank over there. That's a very sweet gesture on your side. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Siddharth sir.
Sorry, Neha ma'am, I forgot to say that, and thank you, Siddharth sir, for adding. I think I'm more nervous right now than the students are. So yeah, your gifts, everybody, I will be waiting for you. Please take them and just please accept them as our token of appreciation for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So that gift is for all the participants. So all the participants who were there till the end, though you were not shortlisted also, so those teams also have to come meet me and collect your gift. And I would like to congratulate all the teams who have won, so all the 3 teams. And I will also congratulate other teams also for putting your best foot forward and developing the strategies for Team Mangalaya and Mangalaya as a mobile application. I would especially like to mention over here about Parth. Sumita-san, I don't know whether I discussed this or not, but Parth Rawal, the member of Market Breakers, was supposed to quit, because at that time he was suffering from COVID-19. So he approached me that, ma'am, should I back out? And I denied, Mala, you're not allowed. And he is the second winner. So I really appreciate, Parth, your efforts, that in that situation also you have put your best skills ahead. So congratulations from LJ University to you. I would also like to congratulate Team Marketing Mongers, the team from LJ IMBA, right? You have done a very brilliant job, right? Learning marketing, being in the second year of BBA, the way you have developed strategies, it is really commendable. And the same comments I will also give to the students of engineering, the team CE, who was constantly, throughout they were learning about what is marketing, how we can develop marketing strategies, what is to be done. So yes, they have shown equal interest, and they have also have done a very commendable job. So keep it up, all the students. Keep learning throughout like this, and my best wishes to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
would
Thank you,
request,
ma'am.
ask if any other
Thank you,
faculty
ma'am.
wants to share their word. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to say thank you to Mangalaya team. It was actually very nice experience because earlier the Brahmastra which we did was for a product. So this was quite challenging for us because this is a service and that too something which is very abstract. So I guess along with the students, we faculties also had a very nice brainstorming, session. We actually like felt like jo whatever we teach in the class, somewhere something is missing now, and this was something that actually, we felt that now whatever we taught till now is coming into action. So I guess this was more action based and we enjoyed this a lot. So I'd like to thank Aarti first of all because she being our alumnus, and obviously
Charger.
Sumita ma'am, it was very nice to talk to you, and thank you Yokoyama sir. It was actually a very nice experience for all of us, the faculties. Thank you again. And thank you, Neha, for continuously, the constant coordination across everywhere. It was really good, very commendable. Thank you all.
I would like to add, so congratulations to Team Mangalaya and all the winners. And sir had mentioned before that, as a jury, it becomes a great responsibility to have patience and listen to all the presentations. So this was really commendable that, there are times when we as faculties have to take so many presentations and we might not be able to justify because of time limit or, XYZ reasons. But then you people were very patient. You made sure that you did justice to all the presentations. You gave them time, you gave them efforts, you asked them questions, and we were very happy with that because, it was not just that they have done their work, but they were asked that justify your work, whatever you have done. So students were really happy that they got the platform to justify their work. And I believe that it takes a lot from you that even after listening to all the presentations, you went through them all again just to make sure that you were very fair with the students. So we are very thankful to you to providing this opportunity to the students to learn so much, and really that, even not just judges, but Sumita sir, as you mentioned that you have a background of teaching students, you really stood by that. So congratulations.
Okay, I would also like to thanks the whole Mangalaya team because you have really given them international exposure of solving a particular problem or launching an app, which I think it is going to ignite their minds further and it is going to increase their horizon also. Thanks a lot for meticulously judging them, having patience, asking questions, same as ma'am said. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Harleen ma'am, and congratulations to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much, Team Mangalaya, once again. Thank you for your kind support throughout. Thank you all once again, and congratulations to all the students, especially the winners. So, sir, should I end the session? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Hopefully, we'll get a chance
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
speak to all of you again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. All the best.